Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view your Chrome cache files directly through your file browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your file browser on your computer. This is your main window for navigating through all the folders and files stored on your system. Once it's open, look for and click on This PC in the left sidebar or main window. This option gives you access to all the drives and main folders on your computer, which is exactly what we need to locate the Chrome cache. Next, you'll see your available hard drives listed. For this example, we're going to select Local Disk C, which is typically where Windows and most programs store their data by default. Click on it to open the drive and view its contents. Now, once you're inside Local Disk C, locate and click on the Users folder. This is where all user account information and personal data are stored on your computer. After opening Users, click on your user account folder. This might be labeled User or whatever name you've set for your account on Windows. This folder contains all your personal settings and application data. From here, you'll need to click on App Data. This is a hidden folder by default that stores application-specific data for all your installed programs. If you don't see it, you may need to enable viewing hidden files in your file browser settings. Once you're inside App Data, click on the Local folder. This particular folder contains data that's specific to your computer and isn't synced across devices. Now navigate to the Google folder and click on it. Inside, you'll find a Chrome folder, so go ahead and click on that as well. This is where all of Chrome's local data is stored, including your cache files. Next, click on User Data. This folder contains all the profile-specific information for Chrome. Here's where it gets important. If you only have one Google account linked to Chrome, simply click on the default folder. However, if you have multiple profiles set up, you'll see folders labeled Profile 1, Profile 2, and so on. Choose the profile folder that corresponds to the account whose cache you want to view. For this example, let's say we're selecting Profile 2. Once you're inside your selected profile folder, locate and click on the cache folder. This folder contains all the cached files that Chrome has stored while you've been browsing. Finally, click on Cache Data, and there you have it. You're now viewing all the cache files stored by Chrome for that specific profile. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to your Chrome cache files through your file browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.